Row means horizontal line, okay, and column means vertical line. Okay, in this way we have to arrange. Now let me ask you about the size of the matrix. Can anyone say the size of the matrix A? What is the size of the matrix? What is the size of matrix A? Anyone who can say the size or order of matrix A? ओके, सो मैले धेरैजना होइन, म एकजना रोहित रेशमीको फर्स्ट हात उठेको रहेछ. ओके, रोहित रेशमी प्लिज. No, no, I am just asking you the order of matrix A. What is the order of this matrix A? That is called 2 by 2, okay? 2 by 2. Say it 2 by 2, not 2 into 2. Okay? Its pronunciation is 2 by 2. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Its order is 2 by 2. Means what we understand is order of matrix. Order of matrix means number of rows by number of columns. How many rows are there and how many columns are there? Okay, so by defining size of matrix, we can define it as number of rows by number of columns. Number of rows by number of columns. Okay, so that will be the size of matrix. So can anyone say me the size of matrix B? Size of matrix B. Okay, I'm just giving chance to Siddhant. Siddhant Shrestha. It's okay, 2 by 3. Thank you. Good. Next, I want to give chance to Sneha. Sneha Jaiswal. Say me the order of matrix C. Matrix C. 3 by 2. Okay, that is good. Correct. Okay, so after unmuting yourself and after giving the answer, please again remute yourself. Okay, so let's go to our next topic. First of all, write down some notes. Note. Each member in the matrix is called an entry. Each member in the matrix, suppose we have a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. So these each members are called entry or element. Okay, 2 is an entry or 2 is an element. 5 is an entry or 5 is an element. So note down, each member in the matrix is called an entry or an element of the matrix. Or an element of the matrix. Okay, so every member is called an entry or an element. Immediately, let's go to our next topic, order or size of the matrix. Order or size of the matrix. Okay, so we have already defined it. So let's write its definition first of all. You may say order of matrix or size of matrix. Both are same thing. So let's define it. Order or size of matrix. Write down number of rows followed by the number of columns is called order or size of the matrix. Is called order or size of the matrix. Is called order or size of the matrix. So number of rows, okay, followed by number of columns. That is called order of matrix. So we had given some examples in the above examples, in the previous examples which we have written. What was the order of matrix A? Order of matrix A was 2 by 2. Yes, you can see over here. Order of matrix A, it is 2 by 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. So its order is 2 by 2. Note down. Order of matrix A is equal to 2 by 2. Similarly, order of matrix B. Order of matrix B is 2 by 3. Yes. Order of matrix B is 2 by 3. Matrix B was of this type. Please see. Suppose it is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So its order is, there are 2 rows and there are 3 columns. So its order is 2 by 3. 2 rows by 3 columns. And similarly, order of matrix C is in the previous example. It was, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So its order is 3 by 2. Okay, so you can note down order of matrix C is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. It is about order of matrix. So hope you are getting clear concept. If you get any confusion, please ask me immediately. Okay, we are just going ahead in some basic definitions. Okay, so have you written up to here, all of you? Let's go ahead then. Okay, shall I go ahead? Okay, here we go. Note down some more notes. First note, see there, you can see, I hope you can see. Matrix is usually denoted by, notation of matrix. Matrix is usually denoted by capital letters as A, B, C, etc. Okay, if you have any matrix, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, so if we have to denote it by in some alphabet, then we have to write it as A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or you may say B equal to or C equal to, any of capital alphabet is the notation of matrix. Okay, let's go to the next note. If A is a matrix, if A is a matrix, if A is a matrix, the element in row I, the element in row I, you can underline that I, the element in row I and column J, underline that I and J of A is denoted by Aij, is denoted by Aij. Okay, so whatever the elements or entries are present in a matrix, they are denoted by Aij, where Aij means I means number of row and J means number of column. Okay, that is the position of the element in a matrix. Aij. For example, let's see one example. Suppose if we have a matrix A in the form of 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3. I have taken an example of a matrix whose order is 2 by 3, okay. So its elements are given in the form, let us see. Its elements are given in the form A11. A11 means first row, first column. A12 means first row, second column. A13 means third element, A13. 1 means first row, third column. Similarly, if we change the row, we go to A21. Okay, first element of second row. So A21 means second row, first column. A22 means second row, second column, element of second row and second column. A23 means element of second row, third column. Okay, it is the general notation. Aij is the general notation of the elements of any matrix. Note down. I hope you are writing down. And hope you are getting enough time. Okay, Sumit Gotame, I have unmuted you, please. Sumit, where